A very good morning to all the teachers and students. Today, my topic will be education problems around the world. Education is a key factor and also the only factor for individuals and societies to make progress. There are many negative factors across the globe that affect societies which lack proper education for their individuals, and one negative factors lead to one negative outcomes. Factors such as high cost of schooling, lack of availability and school supplies, disability, and family priority led to negative outcomes for the future of this family and societies in general. These kids grow up without having learned basic skills in communication, math, and reasoning. Without this skill, they cannot contribute for themselves first and then for the society at large. As we stated at the beginning of the video, education is not the same across the globe. In some African countries, 3 out of 4 children do not understand the simplest grammar rules. And in India, almost 3/4 of third graders cannot solve a 2-digit subtraction. And by grade 5, half of them still cannot do so. There are many kids that go to school, but not all of them take advantage of it. Hundreds of millions of the kids reach adulthood without the basic skill of making a simple transaction or reading a doctor's instructions. They will not have the skill and means to follow a career path or give better education to their own children. Besides that, the major factors that affect education system across the world are the proper use and management of resources to support these systems in different parts of the world. The will of a country directly affects the amount of money spent on the education in the country. The same developing countries that lack basic necessities such as running water are unable to support education, and as a result, the country lacked education. For example, in developing countries such as Kenya, the economy and geography plays a big role in education and its access. Girls in certain villages do not have the means to go to the school because they have to fetch fresh water for their families. If a well is built in one of these villages, the lives of these girls would change dramatically because they could go to the school. Furthermore, one of the cruelest barriers to education is gender inequality. In most developing countries, girls have higher chances of being excluded from the right to get education than boys. According to UNESCO, up to 80% who are currently out of school probably will never start school, and this rate is 16% for the boys. In conclusion, education is a fundamental right, and all human beings should access knowledge if we want a society and the world to be better than what it was in the past. Technology can offer us the means by providing the learning materials in many countries, but this is very far-reaching in developing countries with so much work ahead to do. The situation is better than it was in the past, but still, there is a need for constant improvement. That's all from me. Thank you.